Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach. So, in today's video, we are going to share about how importance of inventory in the productions process. Okay, let's begin. Inventory is the material required for productions and must be accounted for carefully to avoid disruptions. Identify concern for having too much or too little of inventory and how to maintain is a perfect balance for production. If you are in the business of making things, then having good control of inventory is very important. The word inventory here is defined as the material needed to make products. In processed products and finished products, imagine that you are the owner of a business called Sticker Book. You make small books filled with stickers. Your inventory includes the sticker sheet you use to print your sticker on, and the book's binding materials needed to make your books, and the book's covers. The material you use to make your sticker book and the sticker books themselves are considered your inventory. Managing your inventory is an important part of the production process because having too much or too little can mean your business is losing money. If your business has too much inventory, then you lose money. When you have too much inventory, it means that your business is making more products than it is selling. You are losing money by purchasing and making too many products. All the products that don't sell cost you money in the material needed to make them and storage for them. You have also lost precious time you could have used to develop new products that would sell. When you first started your company, Sticker Book, you thought your customers will love the sticker books with sticker of pets in it. So you make sure you make an abundance of this sticker book. You make 500 of this pack sticker book and 100 of all the other sticker books. But after a month, you saw that the pack sticker books didn't sell anymore than the other sticker books. You sold only 80 of the pack sticker book, 84 of the cartoon sticker book, 74 of the ocean sticker books, hundreds of the dinosaur sticker book, and between 60 and hundreds for all the other sticker books. Because you only sold 80 of the pack sticker books, you are left with 420 at the end of the month. There's a lot of sticker books that didn't sell. It cost you $3 to make each book. So you are looking at the cost of $1,260 just sitting in your store, taking up valuable space in your warehouse. You could have spent this money on research to produce another sticker books that your customer will purchase. On the other hand, if you have too little inventory, then your business will lose money in lost sales. If you only make hundreds of an item and 120 people want to buy the item, then you have turned 20 people away because you don't have enough of the item. Multiply these 20 items by the sales price of your item, and you are looking at what you have lost in sales. You're looking over your sticker sales for the past, and you notice that you sold out of some of the sticker book. For example, you sold hundreds of dinosaur sticker book. You think back and you remember that your business have received several calls from people asking about the dinosaur sticker book. You have to tell them that you were sold out. You realize that not everybody called in to ask because you didn't print enough of the dinosaur sticker book. You have lost some sales. You review your activity log for the month and see that you received 20 phone calls and 30 emails asking about the dinosaur sticker book. That could have been 50 additional sales of the dinosaur sticker books. This sell for $5 each. So that means you have lost 250 in sales. When you have just the right amount of inventory, you're making enough products to meet your demand. You're not losing money because you're making too many products, and you are not losing money due to lost sales. Achieving this balance is the result of keeping good records of sales so you can forecast or somewhat predict how many future sales you will have. As sticker books continue to grow, you get better and better at predicting how much of each item you need per month. You see the seasonal trend that happen at certain time of the year and use this information so you can print more sticker books to sell at those times. It has been several years now since you started and had to deal with too much and too little inventory. You are now able to keep up with the demand. You have realized that your customers don't always purchase the things that you think that will purchase. You produce your sticker books according to what your customer want now instead of what you think they want. You have several months where you produce just enough sticker to meet the demands, no more, no less, and your records and forecasts were spot on. So what is the lesson summary for today? Let's review. The word inventory here is defined as material needed to make products, in-process products, and finished products. Keeping track of inventory is a very important part of your production process. If you have too much inventory, you have lost money in making products that aren't selling. If you have too little inventory, then you're losing money from turning your customer away. Keeping good sales record and performance, your forecast just right will help you to make enough products to meet your demand. This will help you to save and learn the most money to grow your business. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach. I am not only teaching theory, I am also building software to meet the business operations. Please subscribe to my channels and hit the notifications bell. Every week, I will record a video like this to share with you guys. And I see you in my next video.